Okay, this is 1530 Spruce Street. Large apartment building in the Rittenhouse Square neighborhood, bordering Rittenhouse Square Graduate Hospital. Tons of bars and restaurants nearby. It sits on beautiful Spruce Street. The building's called the Newport. Okay, it's really pretty. Well maintained, updated building. Nice land, like flower pots. It's a really pretty building. This is the main entrance. Keypad entry. There's a small gym in the building. It's an elevator building as well. Goes all the way to the end there. And all the way up. There's a second entrance. Or exit. Around the corner. So again, keypad entry. Can be dropped off inside the locked door, which is a huge benefit today. Okay, this is the common area. Really nicely maintained, great security. Okay, that's that other entrance I was showing you before. Here's the elevator, stairwell. Okay, I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna be waiting a second. I'm gonna go down to see some of the other common spaces. There's your mail area. Okay. Another one of your exits. The elevator. That's how you would get up to the unit. Again, really nicely maintained. Well secured property. If you don't have stackable washer dryer in the unit, which many of them do, these are some common area units if needed. Here's the fitness center. So everything will go on. Nice machines. That's the game. Standard bench. Weights. Cardio equipment. That's the common space. Now, as we head back up, we would then be going up to the unit. That's what will connect to this video to show you the main space. Hope you like it.
Hey everyone, I'm inside the Newport building on the third floor. This is your elevator. On your right from the elevator is the stairs. There are 5 units on this floor. You have a fire exit here, and the unit I'm about to show you is unit 324. It is a 2-bed, 1-bath unit. As you walk in, you have this nice hardwood floor. The tenant just moved out, so the place needs cleaning. So you have this huge living area for your living and dining space. Big, and it has a lot of natural light. As you can see, there are 4 windows here. 2 smaller one on a side. This one is facing south side, and this is west, and a door with glass window on your right, facing the north side. And this unit comes with a shared balcony. You'll be sharing this space with your next door neighbor and be looking out to 16th Street. You got a beautiful view of the city. You could sit here, enjoy the breath of fresh air. This is your unit. Coming back to the unit, you have a huge kitchen, a very big kitchen, to be honest. You can set your table here and make it a breakfast area, and it is big kitchen. You have a lot of cabinet space. You have a refrigerator, a gas oven and cooktop. You have a dishwasher. You also have a garbage disposal. And here, sink, and this beautiful window for a natural light. Looking out 16th Street again. This is your space from this angle, kitchen. That is the hallway. I just came in through this door from the living room. And walking here in this hallway, to your left, it is the front door. You have here a thermostat to control the temperature of the room. You have here 2 closet, big size closet. Not only on the bottom, you also have additional storage space on the top. Both closet has that. So one is this. And the next one is this. Has built-in shelf in there. That is the top space to hide some of your unwanted stuff upstairs, up there. Then you have your first bedroom. The first bedroom, this is a very nice size bedroom. Has 2 windows, but you will not have a view. It's a tinted window. You could only see the wall behind you, and you could open the window for a fresh air. That's if you don't have a view, it's just a window for a fresh air. At that corner on the right, you have a closet space. It's a good size bedroom. Then you have the next bedroom, which has, contrary to the other one, you have 3 windows, very bright. There is a light, but I don't even turn it on. It's nice size. Alright, the last space I would like to show you is the bathroom. As I said earlier, the tenant just moved out, so this place will be cleaned by the time the new tenant moves in. They will do touch-ups and making it ready for the next tenant. So this is the bathroom. You have a tile floor, tile wall, bathtub shower combo. You have a toilet, medicine cabinet, sink. You also have this cute window for a fresh air. You could just open it that way. It closes. Turn the nut down to hold it close. Alright, this is your bathroom. I just showed you a 2-bedroom unit in the Newport building. 2-bed, 1-bath unit. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. Thank you for watching. Bye.